Welcome back to our Seated Tai Chi challenge. The movement that we're going to learn today is ward off. If we let our hands float up, lifting water, hold a ball, rotate the ball, and turn the torso slightly so that your hands follow along and are over one knee. We're going to be turning the torso from the front slightly to the side. The top hand is going to go down as we turn to the front. Then it circles back up to the top. Inhale, exhale. Breathing in, breathing out. Inhale, hold the ball. Exhale, turn to the front. The bottom hand is going to come up and out, warding off, circular, expanding. Breathing in, breathing out. Inhale, hold the ball. Exhale, ward off. We can go to the other side by holding the ball and turning to the other side. What is up goes down, what is down goes up and out. Circling back, breathing in, breathing out. Inhale, exhale, relax, breathe, and flow. Warding off. Now side to side, holding the ball, turning, warding off. Holding the ball, turning, warding off. Inhale, exhale, breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out. Inhale, hold the ball. Exhale, ward off. Let's do a quick, fun little flow, placing ward off in the flow after the other techniques that we've learned. We're going to start off with shifting the mind, body, and breath. Ergonomic seated position. Long, slow, deep breaths. Relaxed and focused mind. Arms float up and sink down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Breathing in, breathing out. The hands float up. Palms turn up, turning to the side and rolling back. Up and out. Pushing, pulling, whirling. One arm rolling back and up. And then the other arm rolling back and up. Push, pull. Roll back arm. Breathing in, breathing out. Inhale up, exhale out. Breathing in and out, and in and out. Relax and flow, whirling arms. Now hold a ball. Turn to the side. Top hand floats down, brushes past knee. Bottom hand rolls back and up and pushes. Brush knee and push. Inhale. Exhale. Breathing in. Breathing out. Hold the ball. Turn to the side. Ward off. To both sides. Breathing in as you hold the ball. Breathing out as you ward off. Inhale. Turn. Expand. Breathing in. Breathing out. Breathing in. Breathing out. Inhale. Exhale. Breathing in. Breathing out. Breathing in. Breathing out. Cross. Separate. Sink. Inhale up. Exhale down. Breathing in. Breathing out. You know the modification. Gather out, pull in, and then down. Thank you for joining me.